Hey everybody, Professor Benlow here with a short video to let you know what's going on in Unit 2. Unit 2 is a very important unit because of your Unit 2 discussion board. We will get into that in 1 minute. First of all, my office hour chat schedule is as follows. Monday, May 25th, Memorial Day, I will be having my office hours from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Great time to ask me absolutely any questions that you have. And you know I will be online. Then Tuesday, May 26th, I will be having chat number 2 at our regularly scheduled time. Please check out the classroom for that. Okay, Unit 1, remaining due date. You should have already turned in your Unit 1 determined knowledge, which was due yesterday, Friday, the 22nd. But you need to turn in Unit 2 and Telepath by Tuesday, which will be May 26th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so that is a wrap on Unit 1. Unit 2 due dates, very, very important again because of Unit 2 discussion board. Remember, you have 2 incredibly important writing assignments this semester, Unit 2 discussion board and Unit 4 discussion board. And this week we will be having Unit 2 discussion board due. Unit 2 discussion board is going to be due on Friday the 29th. Remember, it's broken down into 2 due dates. Friday, May 29th, your Unit 2 discussion board original post is due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on June 2nd, your Unit 2 discussion board responses are going to be due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So get those in. On Thursday, I posted 3 short videos of me explaining the Unit 2 discussion board. The first video discusses the assignment in general. And then the second and third videos, I go over the different topics that you have to choose from. There are 6 topics that you can choose from, and I go over those in the 2 videos, the short videos. So please review those, get working on this assignment, and let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful, happy, healthy, safe Memorial Day weekend, and let me know if you have any questions, and have a great week. I'll see you in chat on Tuesday.